All right, what's going on YouTube? So my friends over at Vicseed wanted to send another product here. So we have the Easy Clip Car Mount. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox and review it. This is by Vicseed. You can get it on Amazon. I'll throw a link in the description. Weighs about 215 grams, and this one's able to easily be connected to your dashboard, your windshield, basically anything in your car protected with a UV. So we're gonna check this out here. All right. So here it is. I'm actually very interested in this. I have no clue how it's going to be, but it's basically a car mount. So you have your standard little head here. Very nice. And then right here you do have your ball head for the air vent. So we have Vicseed here. User manual right there. You have a little quick start guide. Oh, no. Right here is the UV protector. So you have two of them, which is nice. So you can put these on two surfaces or two different cars or whatever. Stick them on two surfaces, and then you have the suction cup right here. You stick this onto the suction cup and you have UV protection, which is really, really cool. And that's gonna help it from damaging and leaving a stain. It's basically just going to be better overall if you don't know. It's also going to be less heat in that specific area. So basically always be protected. It won't overheat. It won't just make the glue just go bad or whatever, the suction. This is right here, stick, press, and lock it. Clean the dash, wait 15 minutes before you use it. Reusable, you can just rewash it, which is really nice. So you have that right there. And then right here, we do have a little support card right there. Let's go ahead and check out the rest of the accessories here. So right here, you have a little dash plate. So you put this on your dash, and then you're able to put this like that. Very nice. So yeah, this just has 3M adhesive on the back right here. As you can see, this one's very strong, like industrial type of tape. And then you put that on the dash, put the suction on here, and then you can go ahead and apply your car mount. This one is a little glossy finish here, so it looks a little nicer, really nice. Prone to fingerprints, however, so that might be a drawback. We'll see. I'm just gonna show you this here in action. So that is that right there. We're gonna do this little shake test. Oh, it's almost out. So it's really hard to take out for sure. It's very secured in there for sure though. Like you're not gonna go thousands of times like doing that, you know. So definitely really good. We're gonna also test out a little bit more than what we did before. So this does claim, the suction cup does claim a certain amount of weight, which we will go ahead and put a weight on it to see how much it actually takes out. So if you haven't seen my previous video of Vicseed, they basically partnered up with me at this point, and they have tons of accessories that they sent over to be able to just check out my car. Really cool on their part. So we have another little car mount here. Very different from this version. This version has rubber on it, and it's really hot because this has been sitting in the sun for days. So we're gonna go ahead and take this one off, and we're gonna test out the new one. So we do have the dashboard right here, and we do have another one that's already on here, which that one's already stuck on there very well. So we'll test out the existing one. And then here we do have for the windshield only, you basically apply this onto the windshield and then you can be able to use it that way. Really good that way as well. Here is the device itself. It's already on the little suction cup here. You have basically up and down, and then you can adjust the distance right there. Really cool. So we're gonna go and place that right there, and then you can lock it into place, adjust it like that. So now it's just right there, and then you can go and tilt it and do whatever you need to do. Obviously we have this in the way, so this is not how it would be, but that's how it would kind of look, and it looks really good. It is probably over 100 degrees in this car right now, probably 150 to be honest. Normally you're gonna have to clean this before you apply new tape or anything else like that, just for a better, stronger adhesive, which is what they recommend, and that's what we're gonna try. And here's the new one. We're gonna go to apply this. Once again, this is very strong tape here, so it's gonna last a pretty good amount of time. And before you actually install this, like I said, clean it before, and then you're also going to want to not use it for about a day or so, just so the adhesive can actually stick onto the surface enough time so you can actually have it just stick better. So we're gonna let that stay right there. Don't use it for about a full day, but we're gonna go ahead and test this out right now. Put this right here, lock it into place. Very good suction, and as you can see, very good suction, very good. So it's not over the vent. It's not going to take up a full vent, but if you wanted to, you can actually attach the one that is included with it, and then you can use the vent that way. But that's really nice. So you can easily put that right there, easily put your phone right there. So drop your phone in, put it like so. You have easy access to it. You can tilt it, just re-angle it if you needed to. Really cool. So that's that. And then we also have the windshield version, which this one, I'm just going to show you here. This one actually has a way better UV protection. This, I haven't really seen this on the market, but basically it's kind of like a little pad that you put onto the windshield. That's a strong suction cup. That took some force to actually take off. So that's really good. Wow. Okay, back to what I was doing. So you basically put one of these there, a little thin piece of UV protection here, kind of like a tint, and then you just put it like that. Make sure you clean your window. I'm not going to do that because I'm not going to have it on my windshield, but you basically do that, place this like so, lock it, and then you can lock this into place, and then you can obviously have it like so. Obviously, you're going to make it more optimized for your setup so you don't have anything in the way of your view. And then you're going to have, like, you know, better for traffic and everything else like that. Better to be safe. And then lock it into place and you're good to go. Like I said, make sure you make it a safer environment. But yeah, you can do it on the top as well if you choose to do so. This small area right here is how you're gonna have better UV protection so that the suction cup will actually last a lot longer. It'll not burn down the area since it is rubber and won't catch a fire or anything else like that. So it's gonna be really good. If you already have tinted windows and have that, then you don't need this. But if you don't, then you will need it. Really cool. And this is right here for windshield only. So don't put it on the dashboard. This will only be good for the windshield. It's only single use, so don't reuse it and move it and then reuse it again. Have two, or one for a car or one if one wears out after a few months or years, however long these last. But yeah, very cool to have these. I'm gonna keep this in the car just in case I need it. But anyways, I'm done with the review. This thing it's literally over 200 degrees in my car right now. Way too hot. I could have had the AC on right now, but it's okay. I'd rather have better audio quality than. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to check this out, link is in the description to buy. Once again, it's a similar method on how you use the air vent, which I also will link in the description for the previous video that I did for this and the little umbrella here.